Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Jeep Wrangler. Stock number is A7199. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with BF Goodrich tires. Inside, cloth interior. You have second row seats here as well, and they're very clean. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You do have a full-size spare tire on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls, full stereo, that includes an auxiliary input. Climate control, four-wheel drive, and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Wrangler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.